What's up, guys? This is the car that I got. It's a 2007 G37 or G35s. Super clean. Super clean car. We're at a cool part right now. There's a nice ass CTSV over there. I don't even know if you can hear me, but this is the car. Right now they're unhooking it.
Ah, mira, dejamos la puta.
So far, so good. This is gonna polish. What is this? Oh, they even put the key in there.
¿Te daban dinero o qué?
No, pusieron la key. Yeah.
Dejaron
Let's go ask if.
Verga, mira, tiene apagado hasta el 2019. ¿Verdad?
La mala ponemos ahí.
¿Sí, no?
Yeah. Hood is fucked up.
Vamos a ver.
Oh shit. Tiene frame damage.
¿Cuándo puedes abrir el phone por ahí?
No, no se puede.
Por la mano. Abre acá por frente.
No, tampoco.
¿No?
No.
Ah, acá tampoco está.
Alright. I don't know, so for the past like few months you guys have been telling me to start a YouTube channel or whatever, and honestly I've been wanting to, but shit, I'm fucking lazy ass, and I haven't made nothing up. I've had a camera for like a month now, or like 3 weeks or whatever, and haven't even, I mean I've been recording, but not even like posting it or nothing or whatever, like trying to create a video. So like I guess today is the fucking day that I actually decided to make something up. But yeah, let me show you guys. So recently I purchased a G35s 2007 with 27,000 miles original, and it is it is a salvage one, but this thing is pretty much brand new. Right now I can't open it because the battery's dead, since I've had it for like a week now, just sitting, literally. But interior wise it's perfect, other than the airbags and the dash. Other than that, it is perfect. As you can see, the last owners, they took the last owners took very well of it. I don't know how to say it, but they took very good care of it, and just seat belts and all that. That's a G35 2006 G35 rim, because the other one got busted. But only things I would have to do is just get another front reinforcement bar, get the frame rail straightened out, hood, fenders, lights. But I mean, other than that, it's a perfect ass car. I got it for a steal too, so that's even a plus.